Meanwhile, 3 U.S. service members have been killed and 5 more seriously injured during Saturday's operation. Iran has vowed to avenge the death of their supreme leader. For the details, we join the CNN.
Parts of Iran's capital under plumes of smoke Sunday as Israel launches a new wave of strikes on Tehran. You can see here people trying to flee the violence.
Combat operations continue at this time in full force, and they will continue until all of our objectives are achieved.
This comes a day after the U.S. and Israel launched a massive and coordinated missile attack designed to eliminate the Iranian regime and its nuclear program.
This is a decision of real leadership to remove such a threat and enable the world to breathe.
The strikes killed Iran's supreme leader, along with members of his family, Iran's defense minister, and other key military leaders. According to Iranian state media, hundreds of civilians were also killed, including at least 165 students whose school was hit by one of the U.S.-Israel strikes. Iran launching a wave of retaliatory strikes on U.S. military bases, targets in Israel, and across the Middle East, vowing to avenge their supreme leader's death.
If President Trump didn't want to see Iran hitting back and pushing back, President Trump should have not started this war from the beginning.
Iranian missiles hitting this residential building near Jerusalem Sunday. The conflicts have rocked densely populated areas and damaged air hubs in the Middle East. This video showing smoke filling the Dubai airport.
We've seen wave after wave of Iranian missile and drone attacks. I think there's a very clear message on the part of the Iranians that no one is safe.
Oil shipments also disrupted. This tanker was struck in the Strait of Hormuz. About 20% of the world's oil travels through this major route between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman.